Good morning, Bird Gang. I hope all you guys are doing well. Today I have a founder of Oravoice, Anil. Anil, good morning. How are you?
Good morning. How are you, Sam?
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. Super excited. We're gonna go through the features of Oravoice and a product walkthrough, and we will have one winner who will grab a 50% off coupon for this lifetime deal. So keep all your questions coming. We will try our best to go through all the questions that you will be commenting on. Either we'll try our best. Again, it's Facebook group, but you can also comment on YouTube as well. Anil, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Ready. Okay. Anil, can you please tell us about yourself, the team behind Aura Voice, and why you created Aura Voice?
Sure. So, myself, Anil Parmar, and I'm a co-founder of Oravoice and Glory Apps. I'm dealing with most of the business owners, and I realize that they are the missing the leads because of the no one answered the phone calls. And after the working hours, I realized no one is able to pick up the phone calls at their office. So that come into my mind and I made this product. And if you would like to try your business, you can just call to your office after the working hours and see is it anyone answer that, or what will happen if anyone answering the phone calls after the business hours, then no one will answer. So we made a Aura voice, and you can automate your phone calls by using the Aura voice. So that is the main purpose to use the Aura voice. And by using the Aura voice, you do not need a staff, and you do not need any technical skill or coding or anything. So it is easy to configure anything like that. You can just talk with the Aura voice and everything will be configured. I will show you everything during the demo, how I can configure for any business, and we can give you the live demo as well over here.
Okay. Do you have any customers currently using it?
Yes, we have the US based 5 clients right now, and the one client is the enterprise client, who is making the calls around 5,000 call per day, and we are just doing the trial with them. So that is the huge achievement. We are dealing with the enterprise client for us.
Yeah, because when I found out about Oravoice that we are launching, and thank you for giving me a demo on the site. I was quite shocked how powerful Oravoice is, and 5,000 calls per day.
Correct, per day, not a
Okay.
month.
Is it an outbound call or inbound call?
Both, both.
Both. Okay.
So
Uh,
they are the lead generation agency for the home improvement or home services industry.
Okay, so it's okay, home improvement, because that's another niche that's a high ticket niche
Correct.
where they can, if they made like 100 calls, and if they end up
Right.
grabbing one customers, it's completely worth it, because it could be if somebody's doing a whole basement renovation, and that can cost up to
Correct.
almost $100,000, right?
Correct.
So I see why people would use. So I'm excited, and I know we have few niches we're gonna go through it. And why don't we start the demo? So it's feel free to share your screen,
Sure. Sure.
and we can. Again, a lot of people, just don't underestimate the tool. It's very powerful. If you have a business that takes calls, need leads, or you do booking, or need repair shop, or after hours, this is what you need. So I'm going to share your screen now.
Okay.
Just one second. I just want to make sure we have some live audience here with us. Here we go. We have Aditya here. Hello, Aditya. We have Ben Dallas. We have Christina. We have Dan. Thank you, everyone, for joining in. Stay tight. Please feel free to ask questions during this live because we will be picking one winner for 50% off coupon. Um, yeah, so let's start.
Thank you. So here is the login page. After login, you can see the dashboard, and for making assistant or anything, you can come to the AI assistant or composer from where you can just ask. So let me go with the one demo for the dentist. So let me create a one assistant who can answer the phone call. So I would like to dentist. You need to collect customer name and phone number and confirm booking time when they are coming. I have just given this information. I have not added anything else. I have just given the my clinic name, XYZ dentist, and I am just asking to get a customer name and phone number and the booking time when they are coming. So let me create assistant. I'm just creating my assistant from over here. So now here you can see the all the things which is the system prompt. If you would like to change anything, we can do. But for most probably we do not need to change anything because we already used our on the template. So I'm just creating the assistant over here. So assistant has created. Now if you have added the any phone number in your by using the Twilio, let me show you how you can add. So if you would like to add the phone number, you can just come over here. You can just add the Twilio phone number or Tenlex phone number. You just need to add the phone number, then you just need to add the Twilio account SID, Twilio authentication token, and you can just select the assistant, which assistant you would like to use for this phone number. So same thing for the Twilio and Telnets. Now let me go to the assistant. I can show you. So I just created this assistant right now. So if you would like to edit anything, so like if you would like to change the voice, right now this is the 11 Labs voice. If you would like to change anything from here, you can just go here and change that. Whatever the voice you would like. If you would like to select the US based voice, tone, male, female, or UK based, you can select that as well. From here, you can change the language as well. So which language would you like to use? You can just select it from here.
How many languages you have right now?
Right now we have these languages, around
So
10 languages
we
we
got
have.
Italian, English, Spanish, Portuguese, German,
Correct.
Arabic,
Correct.
Hindi, French, and Chinese. Okay,
Correct. And we can add, if you are looking for any other language, then we can add it over here as well.
perfect.
And also we are having the one more thing, we can change the transcriber as well. So if you think that this transcriber is not working properly, then we can change that, because on the multi-language if we use, then some transcriber will work and some don't. So we can change that as well. So here you have the option. So anyone will first what assistant will speak when we got the inbound call. So we can change it, that that things from here. So whatever you would like to say. So let's say if I would like to say XYZ clinic, then that will say that.
Can you change it to like Sam's or something like that? Or
Yeah, we
yeah,
can. We can.
yeah,
You have reached Sam clinic, and I am a Sam.
perfect.
how can I help you today? So we can just change the first message, and the entire other thing is over here. So you do not need to go into the detail, but if you would like to change anything by using the AI enhancement, so we have the features over here. So you just go over here and ask anything. So like if I would like to add any other thing or do any improvement, or I would like to collect a phone number, or I would like to collect the email address, whatever, or if you would like to have any specific information which you would like to add, you can just go over here and add that. Once you add that, you just need to press this update assistant button. So once you update, then everything will be updated inside the assistants. Once you update, you can just go and just change the assistant. So right now I just connected my phone number, and I can just select the assistant which we have made. Once I selected, then I can just try to, now I'm just calling from my phone to this number. So
Okay, guys,
assistant,
this is the exciting part, guys. Okay, and yeah, okay, go for it. And yes, Dan,
I am same. How can I help you today?
so I would like to book an appointment for tomorrow at 2 p.m.
Sure, I can help with that. Could you please let me know which service you need and your name and phone number?
I would like to just a general routine checkup, and my name is Anil. My phone number is 9725297846.
Thank you, Anil. Just to confirm, you'd like to book an appointment for a general dentistry checkup tomorrow at 2 p.m. Is that correct?
Correct.
Great. Great. Your appointment is scheduled for tomorrow at 2 p.m. for a general dentistry checkup. Our clinic is open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday to Saturday. We are looking forward to seeing you at XYZ Dentist. Have a wonderful day, Anil.
Thank you. So this is just an example how we can, it is easy, you do not need any technical skill or anything, and you can just manage your business by doing the automatic the phone calls. So this is the one way for the inbound assistant. Yes, Sam.
yeah, just so I don't want you don't I don't want you to show us right now, just answer it. So once this booking happen, can this be integrated to my booking, like if I'm using a third party booking service or Google Calendar, uh, or
Yes, yes.
HubSpot or Zoho?
Yep, yep. It is possible. You can just we can just pass to the summary or history of the call inside your CRM or Google spreadsheet or whatever you are familiar. If you would like to get SMS, we can just send SMS. If you want the email, we can do that as well. Everything is
Perfect,
possible.
perfect,
I will
perfect.
show you that part how you can do that.
Yeah, and I think we have Dan here also, and I think Dan, I believe you have a personal training gym service that you have. I think it will be great for your use case. Any small business, medium business, or enterprise can use this. If you have like a private coaching, if you have anything related to that need inbound calling, that people are calling and they need to book appointment, this is what you need. So
Correct,
yeah.
correct. So anything you can automate here with the phone call. So that is the best part of the Oravoice. So inbound and outbound both. So now let me show you how you can configure other things. So let's say if you would like to configure the email notification, so you can just go to the advanced setting. You can, so let me show you first. You can just go and edit the assistant and go inside the advanced setting. We have the option for the email notification. Once you enable, then that will ask for the email, which email address you would like to send the email. So once any lead will qualify, then you will get the email like this. So this is the person. If we have the person name, we can just pass. And so here is the so this is the just I made for the one restaurant. So I'm just giving the example what it will look like.
Perfect.
And if you would like to get SMS, then you can just configure your phone number over here. So you will get SMS as well. And if you would like to send an email or message to the customer, then you can do that as well from here. Also, one more best part is you can add the knowledge base. That is the main part of the assistant inside. So like if you have the your company brochure or company profile or company information with the PDF or JPG, CSV file, anything, or you have the conversation of the what will be the your conversation of the your phone. So if you have that, then you can just upload over here. Then our assistant will answer all the calls from that. So like we can generally upload the all the frequent FAQs over here. So that will answer the our AI assistant by doing that.
I just want to add well, one thing here. Um, so I did some testing. So if you like, I'll give you an example for a retail store, a pizza store, restaurant, and if the owner has a menu, obviously the owner would have the menu. You can just upload the menu.
Correct.
It will read out the menu. The call, like the virtual assistant, will read out the menu, and also will take the order. You can also generate like any FAQs related to a pizza order from ChatGPT or anything, and you can upload that knowledge base on it, and it understands. It just upload those files, even just a menu. Like take a picture of it and just upload that menu.
Correct.
It will
Correct.
work. So I was very surprised.
We can
Go
go
ahead.
on that assistant as well after this one. So we can show that demo as well. We can
Perfect.
just,
Yeah, that will be great.
so now let me show you how I can create. Same way we just made a one restaurant assistant over here. So if you would like to go, just we just need to do same thing like create assistant for the restaurant. And after creating the assistant, what we need to do, we can go inside, go on the knowledge base, and I just uploaded that. But if you what I uploaded, I will show you over here. So let me share my screen again. So I just uploaded this voice menu over here. Now let me call to the my assistant.
Okay, what's going on?
Let me connect first that assistant over here.
One second, one second. You're sharing two screens. Is confusing for me.
Okay, okay. Okay, now,
Okay.
okay. Now is it? Are you able to see my one screen?
Yeah, yeah, I'm seeing one screen all along.
Okay. Now I just selected the restaurant assistant from over here. Now let me call you on that assistant. I already uploaded that number.
So on the knowledge base section, you put the menu inside, right? Did you download the menu you just
How
showed?
can I help you today?
Hi, I would like to order one tomato soup. I would like to order one
I'm
tomato
sorry,
soup.
I'm sorry about that. It seems I don't have a comforter soup on our menu.
Okay.
Would you like to hear our available soup options?
Can you just order one margarita pizza?
Sure. One margarita margarita pizza with tomato sauce, mozzarella, and fresh basil for $10.99.
Yeah,
Would
that
you
is.
like that for delivery or pickup?
Yep, I would like to pick up.
Great. Could you please provide your name and phone number to complete the order?
My name is Anil, and my phone number is 9725297846.
Thank you, Anil. I have placed your order for one margarita pizza for pickup. Your order will be ready in about 20 minutes. Thanks for choosing GloryWeb's Creative Pivot.
Thank you.
Pod.
Thank you.
That was crazy. Guys, I just had a funny thought when he was talking. I'm like imagine all the shawarma stores got this, and these places are very busy. Sometimes they don't have time to pick up phone calls, and sometimes they have a time during particular day and time they have so many customers and they don't have time to answer all of them, right? And the phone calls, and imagine you're calling your local pizza shop, shawarma shop, and this virtual AI. And again, I just want to add this. So when you do call the number, the way the AI talks, and it feels so human. I know it sounds here a little bit different, but in real time, it sounds like you are actually calling a call center to give the order, because you can hear the background noise coming in too, and that noise makes it more like it's actually the virtual assistant, or the person is actually real time taking the order, and he's sitting in some call center. So it's amazing how authentic, real it looks like.
Yep. So same thing, you can just same way we can just create assistant by for the real estate as well. And if for the real estate, if anyone is looking to buy a property or sell a property, if they will just call us, then we can just answer everything to here. Can I give this one more demo?
You can. So again, this particular tool, I just want to make sure you guys understand. Anything that relates that you have to pick up a phone, you have to answer, and you have to take booking, or it's perfect for those use case. And even like redirecting calls too. See, we are not done yet. There's more features. uh, Even your calls are the transcribe, you will get it on your email, so you can hear how the virtual assistant is performing. All the recordings are there. So yeah, keep going.
Okay, let me give you the one. Just let me change the assistant phone number. So I'm just connecting that assistant with our real estate.
Hello, you've reached NYC Estate Assistant. How can I help you today?
I'm looking to buy a property in New York, in commercial property.
Great. Just to confirm, you're interested in buying a commercial property in New York, correct?
Correct.
Wonderful. Could you please share your name and phone number so we can assist you further?
My name is Anil, and my phone number is 9725297846.
Thank you, Anil. Just to confirm, your phone number is 972529786, correct?
Correct.
Perfect. Your details have been confirmed successfully. Our team will reach out to you shortly to assist with your commercial property search. Thank you for choosing Glory Oravoice. Have a great day.
Thank you. So this is how it will work for if you are a real estate agent or real estate broker, and that will work like that.
Is this a US number?
Yes, yes, it is US number.
Can I make a call? Is it
Yeah,
can
yeah,
I
you can.
try it? Okay, you know what? No, I can make a call. Let me try this other one. If I can make a call. Let's see. Guys, let's try it.
Yeah,
Just for fun.
yeah.
78787. How many sevens are there? 7778990. Which
Real estate.
Assistant. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm interested to buy a real estate property.
Great. Are you looking for a commercial or residential property?
Residential.
Perfect. Could you please share your name and phone number so we can proceed further?
Sure. My name is Sam, and my phone number is 905 999 999 and 999.
Thank you, Sam. Just to confirm, you're interested in buying a residential property. Is that correct?
No, I changed my mind. I'm interested in commercial.
Got it. You're interested in buying a commercial property. Thank you, Sam. Your details have been noted. One of our agents will contact you soon to assist further. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
This is how it will work.
Perfect. So, guys, this is like crazy. Now, again, these the agents again they are quick agents that we created just for the demo. Now, imagine if I would have put my listings, my property listings, right? So, let's say if I have 10 listings as an agent, a real estate agent, then it would also ask, okay, which property are you interested in? Okay, this is the property you're interested in. What time would you like to come in? What time, all that can be done. It's just that right now the information that is given to the agent is very minimum information, but you can put all your listing in there. You can do all sort of stuff, and what kind of questions, if you want to ask, name, phone number. uh, this agent didn't ask for the email address, but you can also ask for the email address as well too. So all depend what information you put in there. And I'll tell you something. If there was no AI, you have to create all those FAQs, one by one. But with AI, you can just create these FAQs very, very quickly, and you can upload them. Just go through them one time and just upload them. So perfect. Now, I want to ask one question, because I see some of the questions are already coming, and I don't know. I just don't have any patience. I just want to ask. Now, is this call can be transferred to the real human?
Correct. I will show you from
That's all I want to know. That's all. You can show me after one. Let's continue the demo.
Okay. So here we have the option to transfer the phone call. So if you would like to transfer this assistant, so when anyone will tell, or AI assistant does not have that answer, then AI assistant will tell, we are just transferring this call to our management team, and they will answer you on that.
Yeah. So you can actually put this, like, if somebody wants to talk to the human, then
Correct.
he's transferred this call to this, right? And
Correct.
all depend, like, you just have to put one line, transfer to human, and it will start doing it. Or it cannot resolve the issue, or something that going in a loop. You don't want the person to be on the loop with the agent, so you can always put the phone number, and then the real person will go.
Correct.
And again, this call can go directly to that their office, or if you are running your own business and you have your own cell. Like, for example, a lot of real estate agent, they share their own number. They have like either two phones, or they have one work phone that they are literally working 24 hours, real estate agent. And they get their calls right away on their own personal cell phone. So you can put, the agents can put their own real estate agent. They can put their own number, and they will get the call right away.
Correct. Now, let me show you one more thing. This is all we just tested and verified for the inbound assistant. Now we can do same thing for the outbound as well, because outbound is a big thing, big part of the, because everyone would like to do the outbound call. So let's say for how you can do the outbound call. Mm, So we can just import the our data to over here. So you can import your all the contacts or anything, and if you would like to add, you can add the outbound call. And what is the amazing part over here, you can just make outbound call based on the your purpose. So if I know that this person is looking for a real estate property and this is only for the commercial property, then I can mention that over here. So from here, if we mention any purpose, then that will work like that. So let's say if it is a digital marketing agency, and if person is looking for some specific service, and if we mention that over here, then our outbound call will work like that. So if I'm just making outbound call for this digital marketing agency or the custom software development team, then we can divide that as well from over here. So just I have added over here. I'm just adding. Yes. I'm just making these notes, and I just moved that. I'm moving that group to the test. Now let me create one outbound campaign. So we can just select the real estate. I would like to do a call, and this is the, now I'm just launching the campaign. Once we launch the campaign, up within a few minutes or few seconds, we can start getting the calls. And okay. So this is how outbound campaign will work. Just a minute. I will start a call with, I will get a call within a few minutes. And more other interesting part is, if you so let me show you one thing.
I want to add one more thing. So the outbound campaigns, you guys probably start thinking, okay, these outbound call, a lot of people do outbound calls for a lot of crazy reasons. But here's the thing, guys. So let's say if you had, um, let's say any business that does any kind of service, or if they have bought something, and you calling that customer as a campaign, asking them how was their experience. It could be just a simple call acknowledging, thanking them for their business, right? So like booking a vacation, from Costco, or anywhere, and they calling back, okay, thank you, for, have a pleasant vacation, whatever, right? So it can use not just for sales purposes, it could be also just calling them, acknowledging them, thanking the your customers, right? Also for follow-up, like for example, if you are a real estate agent and you had, like, many customers that have bought a purchase from you, and you are just sending them, calling them, and for Christmas greetings, or any, you know, it could be only that campaign too, right? So it's not just about, like, sales. It can be also about, just thanking your customers. So just another different way of looking at the outbound campaigns.
So I'm just checking the campaign which I did in the past. So here you can just see, this is how conversation will happen. this is I'm reaching our sister today out, and I'm are interested in buying properties, and I'm looking for residential properties. And if you would like to listen that, then
Hello, NY. This is NY Estate Inquiry Assistant. I'm reaching out to assist you today. Is this a good time to chat?
Yes,
Great. Are you interested in buying a property?
yes.
Wonderful. What type of property are you looking for? Is it residential, commercial, or something else?
I'm looking for residential property
Perfect. Do you have any specific preferences in mind, such as location, size, or any other features?
near to 13th Street.
Got it, near Cutting Street. Could you please provide your name and phone number for us to contact you with more details?
Sure. Anil Parmar, 9725297846.
Thank you for providing your phone number. May I have your name, please?
Anil Parmar.
Thank you, Fanil Verma. To confirm, you're interested in a residential property near Cutting Street, and your contact number is 972529746, correct?
Correct.
Thank you, Fanil. Your details have been noted. Our team will reach out to you soon with suitable property options. Have a wonderful day.
now I got the call. Hello.
Hi, Anil. I'm calling to follow up on our last conversation regarding new leads.
Hi, I'm just looking for a property, commercial property in New York.
Great. Just to confirm, are you specifically interested in a 2,000 square foot commercial office on 13th Street in New York, as we discussed earlier?
Yep.
Perfect. Can I quickly reconfirm your contact details? Your name is Anil Palmer, correct?
Correct.
And is this... Thank you, Anil. Our team will contact you soon to discuss the available options on 13th Street. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask. Have a great day.
Thank you. So our assistant will remember the history of our conversation as well. So before
Wow.
when I talk, then I just ask about 2000 square feet property. So now they are asking me that you looking for 2000 square feet property in New York? So that is the how. So our assistant will know anything if we call. So like in a restaurant, if you made a you order yesterday, then they can do a recommendation as well. You order this yesterday, and so would you like to do a same order again today? So our assistant can remember entire history of our call conversation.
Yeah, like it's crazy. Like the more I hear about it, and I keep going to a real estate, a commercial property, and stuff like that. The reason being is because there's a lot of builders who build a lot of good properties, and they have such a huge database of people who are interested in their property, because before they launch, they try to give like a lot of promos where they can people who are interested, they can their leave, their phone number, the name, their email address. And imagine like once the property release, and you can just blast these kind of campaigns, and sort out the good ones who are looking for it and follow up with them, and the agent call them, close the deal, make
Correct.
millions.
Correct.
So I do have and I know there's a lot more feature, and I love the how it's I'm keeping all my recording. Is there a recording for the inbound calls that I'm also saving anywhere?
Yes, you can. I will show it. So you can see all the recording what we did. So let me show you all. So this is the I'm buying real estate property, residential property. This is your phone number, and you just change your mind to commercial. And so
Is there
that
a
is
filter where I can just see like if the agent was a different
yes,
agent, let's say the pizza
yes,
one or the
yes.
restaurant one? Can you just do that? Just pick the one restaurant one or which one we did.
So this is for the all the restaurant one. You can see.
Okay. Does it show inbound, outbound anywhere?
Yes, yes. So this is
Okay.
the inbound,
Oh,
and this is
thank
the
you.
for.
Yeah, I was getting very confused. Like I was like, okay, so inbound call, outbound call, web
Right,
call.
right.
Okay, so there's okay, perfect, perfect, perfect. Yeah, I think there's a lot more. So I guess just keep going.
So here is the some more information. So if anyone is interested, then you can see these people is interested. If anyone is not interested or just random, then they are the natural. If anyone is not interested, then that will mark as a red one. So
So another
this
thing I
is
want to mention, I'm reading some comments and I wanna do uh, because the audience are engaged, they're hooked on, they're watching, and I want to answer some of the things. So these comments, these not comments, sorry, these calls, outbound calls, can it be done in a specific time zone
yes,
and a
yes, yes,
preferred time? Okay,
yes, yes. We have the option
smart to
from.
mention that. Okay.
So here is the time zone. You can select that, and what time you would like to do that. You can just filter from the how many days you would like to do, and this is the right now. But if you would like to schedule it later, then you can just select the date. So let's say if I would like to do on the 10th July, then I can do that as well.
Yeah, and it's pretty cool. And you know what? I'll be honest with you. I'm here in Canada. We get a lot of spam calls, but it's not that we always get all the spam calls. Sometimes we also get real calls, and I hate when I get a call after 7 o'clock, 7 p.m. Last time I was in the movie theater, I got a call from Bell Canada, and I'm like, why they're calling me at doing a sales pitch at 7 p.m. because they feel like this is the time that I have nothing better to do in my life, and I'll be free. Anyway, so I think you as a owner or as a marketer, you have to decide this for yourself, like which time zone and time is right for the audience. And again,
Correct.
it's sometimes it's a hit and miss. Try your best to pick the time that suits your audience, and also you want to pick a time that if the user wants to follow, they can also follow up with you too, right?
Correct.
So
Correct.
and avoid weekends. Especially, I hate when marketers they call on the weekends, and it's just again you have to see which time is perfect for you.
Correct. Correct.
Go ahead.
So we have more option here. So right now, if you would like to do a call, schedule a later, you can select the date range when you would like to do. You have the option to select the time zone, days, and calling hours. We have one more option, that is the recurring call. So let's say if you did not pick up, then what we need to do? So we can just retry the call after the 6 hours, 12 hours, 24 hours, or 48 hours, or weekly. So we can decide that. So let's say if anyone does not pick up and I would like to try one more call tomorrow, then we can try that as well.
Perfect.
So that is the great features, because sometimes people are busy and they do not pick up the call. This way we can just do a recurring outbound call from over here. So now what else part? Yes, we now let's go. We have one more option, like if you would like to do a integration at your web page. So let me stop my sharing screen and share it again. So I can show you one thing. Are you able to see my screen?
Okay, I'm gonna share now. Okay.
Okay.
Oops. Change it again.
So here there is icon. So if anyone would like to do a
Well,
call, so that
maybe
is
you want to make your screen smaller because the icon is kind of hidden. Where's the icon actually?
right side of the bottom.
right side of the bottom, because there's a theme we have on it, and I
Okay.
can hide that theme
Yeah.
right now,
Okay. So
unless you want to switch it to the left side.
no, that will.
It's a different account. Okay, if you just click on it, it will pop up, right?
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes. It will just pop up that.
Yeah.
So that will start the call from here as well. And if you would like, so how you can do that? So we have the option that is widget integration. So we have the two options. So like the chatbot widget or voice assistant. So voice assistant will directly work as the same as a phone call. So let's say if I would like to for the real estate, I can just generate the script and I can copy the script or download the script and I can just add to the my web page.
Okay, hold
And
on one second. Hold on one second. So you're saying that if I have a voice assistant, this will, when somebody try to chat with it as a voice assistant, it will go on a call.
yes, yes, yes.
Oh, whoa, okay, okay.
Also, if you would like to do a small chat conversation, same as the voice assistant. So if you would like to add a chatbot, you can do. You can just copy and install this chatbot at your widget in your
Okay.
website.
So how does the chatbot work? Where the FAQs are coming from for
It is the
chatbot?
same as the
Same one.
voice
Oh,
assistant.
okay, 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 okay. Makes sense.
So that is the, so like many people have a they generate the leads from the website.
Hmm.
So people would prefer to sometimes they just would prefer to call so they can just talk from the website and generate the lead and verify that. Also, we made a one demo as well. So like if we have the Google form or website or anything, so if I will fill the my detail over here and then I can get a call within a 1 or 2 minutes.
Sorry, I didn't understand. So let's say if I have any forms that I'm using as a lead generator, lead form, and let's say if digital agency, if I have a digital agency and I have client putting their information that they're interested
Correct.
in the website, or they want to
Correct.
build the app,
So
and
let's say
the
I
AI will talk right away.
yep, yep. So let's say if I will just fill up the my phone call over here, submit, then within a 1 minute I will get a call if I will configure the my assistant over here.
Oh, 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 wow, that's that. Okay, okay, that's something we need to learn. So this form is integrated right now with your Google Sheet,
Correct, correct.
and the
So
Google Sheet is integrated with
correct, correct,
Oravoice.
correct,
All
correct.
the
So
leads
this
are coming in the sheet, and
correct,
as soon they get added, they get the automatic call
correct,
and more
correct.
info. Okay.
So here is so if anyone will fill up the any form or anything, then all the data is coming on this sheet, and we just integrated that sheet to the platform, so we can start getting the call, or we can just
Let's,
call them real
is it
time.
configured? Can we try one?
Uh, yeah, maybe we can try.
If it's configured, then why not?
I am not sure it is configured. Let me add my number.
Guys, if you want to share your number, we can put your number in there, and you can receive the call and see the quality of how the call is. Email address? No email address. Okay.
No, it is not compulsory because I just made it for the testing purpose.
Okay. So let's see if this call does happen. If it's configured, it will happen. If it's not configured, it will not happen. So again, uh, uh,
So
but
I
we have
can.
already seen how it works. Okay, show us the flow, the workflow.
So here is the JPR integration for this. How we made when the call will come, we are just selecting the Google Sheet. So any lead or anything will come inside the Google Sheet, then we are starting the call, and we are passing that history to the spreadsheet. So once call is completed, the history will updated into the our spreadsheet.
Is it the same sheet that you started with, or is it a different sheet?
No,
The
it is same.
the
It
last
is
sheet.
same. Yeah,
Sorry.
it is. This is the same set.
So it starts with the same sheet, goes through Oravoice, makes the call, and updates the list, same list that the call has made.
Correct, correct.
That's sick. Okay, perfect. That's pretty good.
Now let me go to the all the integration part. So we have the GPR integration, we have the make integration, we have the SMS integration, we have the call transfer, and if you would like to do a custom webhook, then we have that feature as well for a custom webhook. So you can just do that as well. We have all the information regarding the custom webhook. If you would like to, because I just working with some dentist or some saloons, they would like to configure their Google Calendar. Some people is mostly some people use the Google Calendar or Calendly to manage that all the bookings. So we can just configure everything with the Google Calendar. So if time slot is not available, then our AI assistant will tell this time slot is not available. We can do on the any other time, or they can just recommend that as well. And I think I uploaded that video into our group as well. So if you would like to see more about the Google Calendar, how it will work, you can just check our previous video on our in our group. And we made a separate integration for these two CRM like Go High Level and Hotspot, so you can synchronize all the data. And so if any lead will come to the, now I got a call from that form field.
Pick it up.
Hi,
Hello.
Anil. I'm calling to follow up on our last conversation regarding new leads.
Hi, I would like to buy a property in New York.
Great. Are you interested in a residential or commercial property?
Commercial property.
Excellent choice. Do you have a specific location or size in mind for your commercial property?
I have not decided yet.
No problem at all. We can help you explore options. May I have your name and phone number to keep in touch and assist you further?
My name is Anil. My phone number is 9725297846.
Thank you, Anil. Just to confirm, you're interested in a commercial property in New York, and your phone number is 9725297846.
Correct. Correct.
Just cut
Great.
this one. Let's
You're
move on.
interested.
Thank you.
We have a lot of questions coming in, and I think we are. I don't know if we have missed anything yet or not, but I'll start. I have some of my questions as well too. Okay, you want to share your screen again? You have something else to show? Okay, let's see. What else? What else you got?
So we have this integration, and what else? I just saw the voice library. If you would like to search about any voice or anything, we have the filter as well over here. So let's say if I would like to just check for the Italian, so I can just see how many voice in Italian language. So I can just select that. Also, if I would like to select, is it American accent or Indian or standard or British, we can just filter and we can just see how it will work, and we can play a voice as well.
Le idee sono i punti di partenza di tutte le fortune.
So we can just listen that voice as well.
Come on,
Then,
we gotta get a Hindi voice test. Can we try a Hindi voice test?
yeah,
Please?
हमें उन लोगों के लिए आभारी होना चाहिए जो आंतरिक आत्मा को पुनर्जीवित करते हैं।
Oh, okay. All right. Okay. Let's go. Keep going.
I will show you one more thing. And these are okay. We have this one feature for the sending SMS for as well. So if you would like to do SMS campaign from over here, you can just select and send the bulk SMS from here as well. But this is the this is the small part we just did for the SMS integration, but morely we just made everything for the call. So some people would like to do SMS as well. So for the promotion or any other thing, they can just do from here. So they do not need to do any other thing. Also,
It's,
one
it's actually a good feature because it complements the whole ecosystem,
correct,
right?
correct. And one more thing. So we have important thing is when we do outbound call, sometimes they will does not know our name, but in our place, if we go, then people. So here, if we pass the any other things like a customer name instead of same, if I will pass like a customer name, then that will say that customer name what we have passed pass in the
History.
contact
Yeah.
information. Yeah.
Yeah. Makes sense. Makes sense. That's pretty cool, actually. It makes it more personalized, right?
Yep. So this is all we made over here. So I just would like to know more question from your end.
Yeah.
And
Yeah. Let's start. So we have Aditya, we have Christina. Aditya is asking, does it integrate with Tulio? How are the calls made?
so yes, this our phone number and everything is integrated with the Twilio and Telnets. We have the both option over here.
So you have two integration. You connect any of these ones, and you can start using it.
Correct.
And I know some of the people already have the Twilio account, so it'll be super quick. Um, and again, if you are passing this if you have an agency and marketer, and you're passing this as a service, this would be like something you can like, especially for this service, you can charge customer per lead, right? So I'm just
Correct.
saying. Um, so you do need a Twilio account to use Oravoice or whatever Telnex. Does it?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. Telnets and Twilio.
Okay.
Both. Which one you would like, you can just use that.
Maybe put the phone on a silent now. Thank you. Can you? Dan is asking, can you set the hours that the assistant can work? For example, only have it be live after hours.
Yes, we can set that.
We can set that. Perfect. Um, Kevin is asking, does it support Malay language? I think Malay language.
Yes, we can add that. So we are open to all the language which we have not added over here. You just need to tell us. We just need to configure over here. So that will not take more than 1 day. We can just configure over here. So you can just see that language when you create assistant. Then after you are able to do that.
Okay. So the languages, guys, if you need any other language, your native language or your client native language, you can request them, and they will add those languages. Um, so if that makes sense. Ben is asking, so we buy phone number and minutes from Tulio.
No, you do need to buy. You just need to buy phone number from the Twilio.
You need to, yeah, the minutes. Yeah, you have to, if when they're buying obviously the minutes are their minutes are using, right?
Yep.
Yeah, like Twilio account minutes are getting used, right?
Yep.
But the AI is yours then, right? The
Correct.
voice.
Correct.
We have our co-founder here, Omar Latif. Hey all, Oravoice is amazing product. Oh yeah, I bet. Dan is asking, can we set the appointment to pending?
Yes, we can.
Okay.
So we just need to talk over here how we want. So let's say if I will, whatever I would like, then I can just ask over here, and that assistant will set up like that. So if we would like to just make a appointment as a pending list, or we whatever you want, you just need to do a conversation over here, then everything will be set. And if anyone is looking for any help from the our end, we are happy to help you to support or configure your assistant if you are not able to do that.
Okay. So basically, and anyone who's watching, this is they are offering right now. If you do end up buying the deal, and if you do need onboarding help with your assistant, they will provide you that. Again, depending on how many people are asking. So just remember that this is a complimentary service that Anil is willing to provide you to run your successful business, right?
Yep, yep.
In the previous year, hi sir. Yes, thank you, Sam. Can I transfer call to a human? Aditya, can I transfer call to human when required?
Yep, yep. It is possible. I already saw it during the demo.
Um, can we integrate with AI agent like OpenClaw API MCP?
Yes, we already integrated that over here. So we are using the OpenAI or Gemini and everything over here. So if you would like to see what we are using, and so you can go inside the advanced setting, then you can see which model we are using. If you would like to change the model, then you can just change that.
Okay.
So you have option to change the model as well. Which one
Perfect.
you would like to use, you can just use that.
Okay. Uh, can it access a live website in a real time to check availability, such as a current stock level? Oh, that's
Yes,
pretty.
yes, we can because we are checking the current live availability with the Google Calendar. It is possible.
So I need to understand the use case for it. I understand a little bit, but if you Kevin can specify like if somebody is calling to place an order, maybe that's where you're heading, and they need to check the live stock. Uh, but I think that something you will also do it on your website, right? So I'm not sure. Uh, yeah, need to find a real use case. Like for example, I think it's talking more about e-commerce stuff where you know
Mhm.
you do a phone order or something like that, and the stock is available or something. But if you put it in your knowledge, like for example, if you have in general, if you have unlimited stock, then you will not even bother with it, right? So I need to find more use case how you planning to use it, and then maybe we can have a better answer. Unless Anil, you have any answer for that?
Yep. So that will work, but I just would like to know, same as you said, if we have the specific use case and more information, then we can tell about. But most probably everything is possible with that. We can just make a webbook with that live, and we can tell that is it available or not.
Okay. Dan is asking, is it able to compare availability across multiple provider at the same time business? Uh, if there was a preference in provider, which schedule book an appointment with, in the contrary, if there was not a preference or provider, will it cross-check the availability across all the providers? Uh, Basically, I think what he's asking, like say for example, like in his case, he has a gym, and let's say if there's a few different trainers,
Okay.
and you're looking into booking appointment with the trainer, and one person is not available, can it get transferred to the another trainer? I think that's where he's heading. But
Okay.
then
Okay.
correct me if I'm wrong.
So we have not looked that case, but we can, if we need to make that, then we can definitely make that.
So in the same use case, I'm going to ask you another question actually. So let's say for example, if I am uh, if and I'm talking about more in terms of like nail salon or salon in general, and they
Mhm.
have a haircut service, they have massaging service, they have nail service. Now if it calls the business, Is there any way to have these three service integrated to a different agent with their different calendar link?
Yes, right now we just made with the single calendar. We have not configured with the multiple calendar, but
But you understand what I mean? Like if they have a different department, right?
yep, I understood that.
Yeah.
So we are so that is the next part of our development. So most probably you can see that feature in the next month. We are having that plan because right now we are working with the home improvement that brand or enterprise client who are doing the same thing. So let's say they would like to just talk for the solar roofing, then they have the specific department for that. So if any person would like to talk with the real human instead of the AI assistant, so we have to forward that call to the specific department. The same thing if anyone would like to just talk about the furniture, so we have to just call forward to the specific department. So we already did that, and but we have not deployed that on the production right now. So we are having that plan to deploy on the next week.
Like basically what it is like a one company, and then they have 10 agents doing 10
Correct,
different things with the 10
correct,
different
correct,
calendars.
correct.
That'll be cool. Ben is asking, can you show me what we get to see on backend after order was taken, or when the booking is done? So once the booking is done, you have a few options. You can get a notification through. Let me just do it. Because I want to see if I was paying attention to or not. You can get a notification. You can get a transcribe. You can also get a SMS. You can also get notified through webhook, right? Too, if you create
Correct,
a
correct.
webhook. You go ahead. You answer it. I think that's about it. I remember.
Correct. Also, we can just set up the GPR or make integration wherever you would like to do that with your data, or if you are using any POS system or anything, then we can just pass that information inside that as well. So let's say if you would like to just get that information in WhatsApp, then we can just do a GPR integration to get that WhatsApp or anything, or you would like to add inside your POS.
Uh, Alex is saying, arrive a bit late. Not to worry, Alex. You're still here. Love the typing and office background. Love the typing and office background. I don't know whose background. I think yours. Can we, Arnaldo is asking, can we see the area where the leads data appear, please? Yeah, that's where it appears. Call logs.
Yep. Call logs.
And yeah, and let's say if you're doing any booking, that will be coming to your booking calendar. And also you have a webhook option. You can also connect to Google Sheet to get those leads, or
Yep.
get,
Yep.
okay, yeah, you can get that too. So it's and what about if they have their own CRM or something like that? Can it be transferred there?
Yep. That will be transferred by using the any integration like JPR or Make. And we are working for, we did the go high level and export right now. So you do not need to use JPR integration and Make integration. And we are working for the CRM. And one more thing, we are working on the right now with the custom workflow for setting up the outbound campaign. So we do not need to use anything with the JPR. So maybe on the next month you will get that features. So you can set up the workflow how you do on the JPR and Make for the
Right.
outbound campaign.
Okay.
So
Can we
I'm
go ahead? Sorry. Go ahead.
yeah. So I'm making that for our US client who are the insurance agent, and they would like to do a 10,000 call per day. So they have the specific requirement for the outbound campaign. Once the call will end, then we are just sending the SMS. After the 15 minutes, if they are not interested, then we will remove that call from the list. And those kind, after the 30 minutes we are calling them again if they are available. So we can set up all those things for the outbound campaign inside the Oravoice. You do not need to go anywhere.
Okay. What about Public Connect?
Yeah, we are working on that. you will get the next month that. So everything is in the development right now. Maybe we have planned to deploy the everything on the next month, so you can get those kind of features in the next month.
Okay. Just bear with me. Uh, Aditya is saying for outbound call, we can set a specific time schedule for it to make calls. For example, call between 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. only on weekdays. Can it can it be done? Can this be
Yep,
done?
yep. I already saw. I will show you
Yeah.
again. So you
Yes. No.
can
No. It's
you can set up the days and times from over here. You can select. Let's say if I would like to just do this campaign for these 3 days. So these 3 days, I can just select the time zone and days as well.
Yeah. Dan is just saying, just thinking how pissed off people might get if they get incoming call from an AI agent at 1 a.m. instead of 1 p.m. That's an important setting for sure. Yes. Yeah. And yeah, you can mess up your AM and PMs. I used to, but yeah. But I don't. It will be crazy. I will never deal with that company again. uh, how you manage the latency and hallucination of the AI? Like it's pre-configured, everything. It doesn't
Yeah. So
hallucinate.
we just made everything. So you do not need to take care of that. So we just made our own LLM model to take care of everything. So
Yeah.
we do not need to worry about that.
Uh, Christina is asking, can I include some repetitive phrases in each call? For example, remember that for your safety, this call is being recorded or something similar because it's
Yes,
monitoring in my country.
yes, we can. We can just add anything over here, whatever you would want.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
yeah, we'll speak that first. Also,
yeah.
we have more option for the, so let's say when we would like to end a call or IVR bypass or voicemail, whatever we would like to drop a voicemail, we can just set up that as well. So if anyone does not pick up and we need to send a voicemail, then we can just set up it from here.
Perfect.
Also, if you would like to just how many wait second you would like to do, you can just set that how, what will be the endpoint. It is normal, aggressive, or conversative. You can just set up. These all are the, so when you can set, those are the advanced settings. So let's say AI assistant or human is not speaking, how many wait second we need to do. So these are the all the technical setting, but we just did everything for you. You do not need to go in detail. If you
Like
want,
for example, somebody if the client is like swearing or something like that, saying bad words, you can just put those stuff in there and can hang up the call, right?
correct. Also, if you like to, so let's say some people would prefer a voice speed is more, then they can just change it from here. So if they think that our voice speed is faster, then they can just increase that or decrease that, whatever they prefer.
This is a voice speed of the AI, how it talks.
Correct.
Yeah, you can make it like chimpanzee, talk fast.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
Perfect. What
one
else?
more thing,
Mhm.
some people does not prefer because of the compliance, all the recording inside this. So we will not record anything inside this.
So
We can,
you can disable that option.
correct.
Let's move on. Where is he? Ben is asking, so what kind of notification do we get after the order is placed for the food as it need to be ready ASAP? That's
So
already
we
been
can,
answered.
yeah. So we can just configure that with the POS. So whatever the POS they are using, they will get a notification inside that POS.
Perfect.
So that is the best way. And if
Okay.
they would like to do email, WhatsApp, or SMS, we can do that as well.
Um, so just want to make sure we all have already passed 1 hour of our event. It is a super exciting event, and I'm already very hooked on to it. But we can't just continue it for very long, so we'll try our best to go through all the questions, and we'll try to avoid the repetitive questions that have already been answered. The webhook, Aditya, is already available. MCP, is it available?
No, that is not.
Okay. I don't even think you need MCP, but I think it will be very good to have MCP, because if with
Correct.
MCP you can um, connect other tools without even using Zapier, because the
Correct.
other tool might have the MCP and they can just talk to each other.
Correct. Correct.
So
Correct.
I would encourage you to, if there's
Yeah.
a plan, you can add this MCP, because you might then don't even need a Zapier,
Correct. Correct. So we
right?
are having a plan on that, but right now we are just focusing on this product. So we can just add features which is the important for the user. So we are getting the feedback from the user. These features we need, and we are just focusing on that.
Yeah. Okay. Is there a white label or white label add-on?
Right now we have not worked on that, but that is in our roadmap. So after completing this all, we are just focusing on the white label part.
Um, Perfect. Sorry, I'm trying my best. Can you add both voice and chat?
Yes, we can.
Okay.
You can by using the widget.
Aditya is asking, so you are telling me it has chatbot as well? Nice. Thank you,
Yes,
Aditya.
yes, yes.
Is Google Calendar integration one per account or one per assistant?
One per account.
Per account or per assistant? Is it
No,
connected
no,
with the
per
system?
assistant, per assistant, per
Okay,
assistant.
thank you. Thank you. Does it have a verified phone number checks or verified email checks? No idea what.
No, I do
Uh,
not know what he is talking about.
Alex, if you can, we are not understanding the verified, all the verified like number that will be coming from the third party. Uh, can you set up? Can you set up, for example, nobody picks up after 3 or 4 ring, then the voice bot answers?
Yes, I already show you over here. So if you would like to have that option as well, so that message will drop in the voicemail. Inside the we have option over here.
Are
So
we
voice.
uh, are we able to clone our voice?
Yes, yes, we can.
Okay, you want
But
to show that quick?
for that you just need to take our support. So we can just configure that from our end. So right now we have not deployed, but we can configure then that from our master super admin login. So you can
Okay,
just contact us. We can just add your voice inside the
but what
voice.
do you need? Like I understand they can contact you, um, but like, is it not deployed here, or is it like, what's the reason behind it? Like, it's because it's,
So
if they have to contact you every time, then it's
yeah,
also a
we have not
little bit.
deployed that. We are having the plan to deploy that in the next month.
So when this it's a good question actually. When they are cloning their own voice, is it the process that you are doing, or they need to just upload the samples?
So they just need to upload a sample, and once they verify the samples, then that will be display inside the voice library. So
Okay,
they have
then maybe you should just deploy that, because it will be cool. Because then you don't like if they're dealing with one of the agent or one of the real estate agent, and if they can upload their own voice, will be nice and
yep,
friendly, voice coming through, and people
yep,
take those calls seriously. So I would encourage you to have this kind of
sure,
option
sure,
in it, rather than people sending you their voice, and it's too much back and forward, like. So yeah, it is possible, Alex, and that's a good question. Uh, Jake is asking, does this work for outbound call in the US? I heard there were some new laws. I think you have to. Okay, I'm in Canada, and I think you have to. Doesn't matter which country you are in, you have to follow the rules and regulation. What are the restrictions? I'm in Canada. I get a ton of spam calls. Be honest with you, they are not stopping, and they still keep coming. Actually, they have increased tremendously. So you have to look into the each state, what laws they follow, and yeah, just follow those laws. But the calls do come in.
Correct.
Can it transfer call to another AI assistant? For example, an AI receptionist transferring call to AI tech support.
Yes, we can do that. So if you just add a number of the other assistant, that call will transfer to the that assistant instead of the human. That is the your choice where you would like to transfer.
So we get this right. So AI assistant has, let's say, a number 123 call number, and another AI assistant, you can have another phone number, or you can use the same number. Like
So
I'm
the
trying to
other assistant will have a different phone number. So
different phone
let's
number.
say, yeah.
Perfect.
So that will
Or
transfer.
or it can be transferred to the human as well
Correct,
too, right?
correct, correct.
Can we integrate with Agile CRM?
Yes, we can by using the JPR for now.
Okay. Anuman is saying, hi Sam, hi Anil, hi Anuman. Uh, can the assistant send SMS or email to the client uh, caller during the call? For example, if caller says, "Can you send me the restaurant menu via email right now?"
Yes, we can configure that.
Yeah.
That yeah, that will work. We already tested that because for the one agent
Can
we
you
need
quickly show us?
that is on the client demo account, so I cannot show right
Well, you
now.
got everything on a demo account. What we are doing here then?
No, no, that is not on the demo, but that is the real account which we are working for the US
So it,
client.
it is it possible if
Yes, yes,
somebody
it is
buys a
possible.
lifetime deal,
Yes.
how they can use that feature? That's what I want to know.
So we just configure them, and I can just upload that video inside our group so they can know.
No, but
We
is there option here in the screen that the one you're sharing right now?
so what we need to do, we just need to configure, ask everything over here. So let's say if I will just ask everything and set up the proper assistant, then that will work.
So if I tell the assistant to send the email, it will send the email. That's what you're saying?
Correct, correct, correct. That will send the email.
Maybe okay, that's crazy. Okay, perfect. Okay, so it's possible.
Yes,
It's
yes, it
already
is.
working. If you set it up correctly, you give
Correct,
proper instruction, it will
correct,
work. Perfect. So I
correct.
think that it is possible. I love the tool. Congrats. Thank you, Ben Dallas. All I hear from Anil is yes, yes, yes. Okay, yes. Yep, 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 and yes, yes. So that's a good thing, right?
Yep.
Okay, phone and email are fake. I don't know what he's saying. When you introduce white label in the near future, will it be included on tier 3?
So
Ah.
right now we have not decided anything, but we are making the plan on that. After completing the all the other current roadmap plan, then we are planning for the white label.
Yeah, but it's not. Again, there's no promises here, guys. And again, I'll be. I don't want to give my white label opinion because I'm. My opinion is, some users probably not gonna like it. Um, but again, you have to have a good use case why you want to white label it. For me, I don't know. For me, I don't see what is the point of white labeling something that if you are providing this as a service to a client, you can send them the lead through Gmail. You can send them the via email, the voice recording, everything you can send them via email. So I would encourage users to use this Oravoice as a service and sell it to your client and tell them, I can do this, and how you like to pay me, tell me. So that's about it. For the questions, we will announce one lucky winner from our live. Anil, thank you so much for the detailed live event. I do have one. I do have my own question, so I'm going to ask you right now.
Okay.
Sometimes when you call and they ask you to press one to do this, press two to do this, can we do that?
Yes, we can. We can
Okay.
set up the IPR as well.
Perfect. If the person hangs up the call, he will go in a sequence where he can be reached next day, depending how you have set it up. Correct?
Correct.
Now, if a restaurant getting 10 calls at the same time, can Oravoice can take care of it same
Yes,
time?
yes, it will.
Okay, I think that's about it. I do wanted to. Do you want to share your screen quickly? Go over the plans. I just want to make sure if we have already passed our 1 hour, might as well just take another minute and show the plans. If you can share the early bird deal, make sure you are signed out. Or I can share the screen. I can share my screen and you can just go over quickly. Okay, that's right.
Yeah, that is fine.
So I have screen. My screen is already open. Where is my screen? Okay, my screen is here. Okay. So guys, this is Oravoice right now, and you can see all the plan details, what features, what it does here, and some of the features he's already adding on the plan. Let's quickly go over. So it's $69 for tier one. It's mapped to their starter plan. You get 100 minutes complimentary one time, 2 assistant, 1 team members, 1 phone number, 5 campaign. Bring your own key. Um, Mapped to a professional plan, you get 300 minutes complimentary one time, 10 assistants, 5 team members, 5 phone numbers, 10 campaigns. Bring your own key. Mapped to an enterprise plan, you get 600 complimentary one-time minutes, unlimited assistant, 25 team members, unlimited phone numbers, unlimited campaigns. Bring your own key. I'm pretty sure a lot of people are probably thinking about what is the 600 minutes and what is complimentary one time. Can you just quickly go over that? So just
Sure. So this is the one time. So like in the lifetime deal, we are just giving the 600 minute for a one time. Once that is over, they have to recharge that. So for the recharge, they can use the Aura voice or they can just use the BYOK, bring your own key. So they have the two option on that.
and this is for the voice, the AI voice
Correct.
agent.
Correct.
Because there's a technology behind where it uses a credit, and it is very expensive to offer in a lifetime deal. And I'll be very, very honest to you guys. And if anybody does offer it in a lifetime deal with a recurring credit, monthly credit, uh, they're gonna go out of business because it's not sustainable model. So what this does is gives you a 600-minute where the AI is talking. You're still using your Twilio account, which is fine, but where the AI is and the voice are amazing voice. Um, they also have 11 lab integration into the voice. So that 600 minutes will be complimentary, a one-time use for you, and then you can bring your own key and you can use it. And again, if you are using it for your own business, and again, it's not that expensive, depending on how much you are using. And just like, how you pay the phone bill, you pay for extra add-ons and service, and it works exactly the same way. So you can still use your own key, which makes the model sustainable for the founder and for them to grow the business. So that's about it. Anil, let's let's wrap this event for now. Um, if you guys do have any question, Anil is in our group. You can always message him, ask him questions. If you do buy the lifetime deal, if you are stuck, feel free to get on call with Anil. He will do an onboarding session with you, help you create the assistant too. He's a nice guy, nice guy. He wants you to be successful. He wants you to, he wants to help out. And again, we from us, we do not pressure any founder to do these onboard callings and stuff like that. He's willing to do it. He wants to show user how to use the whole system. Any last words before we end this call, Anil?
So thank you, Sam, and thanks the Leopard and the team who give me the opportunity to just contribute over here and just demonstrate my product.
Thank you so much, Bergang. That's about it. We are also super excited. We have some great things coming up. We have the soccer campaign going on for the FIFA. So please do join our group and participate. You will be surprised. Thank you, and look forward for the next deal. Bye, guys.
Thank you. Bye.